What's going on, everybody? We got Jacqueline here with another vlog for you guys. Today I'm going to take you through my upper body workout. I'm pretty excited for it. Should be a good one. I think Lucas mentioned he was going to lift today too, which is kind of rare actually, so that'll be exciting if he decides to do that. I'm also going to take you through a full day of eating. It's about 1:30 now. I'm getting a little bit of a late start on the day, so I'm going to show you my first meal here, and then we're going to roll to the gym. First meal of the day here is going to be pretty basic. I just have some riced cauliflower with bell peppers and onions, and then baked chicken that was left over from dinner a couple nights ago. This is the riced cauliflower I like. It's called Cascadian Farms Organic Riced Cauliflower Blend. It's delicious. It's only 100 calories for the whole bag, so if you're on a diet, this really comes in clutch. And I have this chicken breast left over from the other night too. This was about 4.5 ounces when I just weighed it out here, so I'm gonna pair this with the cauliflower rice we got cooking up over here. I'm actually going to save half for later. So this is the final product. We have a little bit less than half of the rice cauliflower, my chicken breast, and some hot sauce. Alright, we got the man himself, Lucas, here now. And he did confirm he's actually not only is he gonna lift later, he said he's gonna max out on all the major powerlifting moves. Bench, squat, and deadlift. So this is gonna be actually extremely entertaining, probably hilarious, maybe surprising. We'll see where he's at.
Great, now I have like double promised. Now I have to do it.
Now you have to do it.
I was thinking like, yo, if this doesn't go right, you know, if the whole day is just like not flowing with me, then I'm gonna cut that out, but no.
No, you're doing it. We're doing this. Alright guys, what's up? We just finished at the gym. Lucas did some breakdancing, and I did an hour and 15 minutes on the incline treadmill, so I'm feeling pretty good after that. It stormed like crazy while we were in there. Now it's just like super gross outside.
Can't do my tricking. Dang it.
Yeah, it's soaked everywhere. It's extremely humid. I feel like I can't even breathe out here right now. It's so gross.
Yeah, it's pretty
so
bad.
we're probably just gonna roll to the store instead, get stuff for dinner, right?
Yeah.
There's no way you're going outside right now.
Yeah, you know,
right?
I used to, like 2013, I would have, took off my shoes, sunk my toes right in that dirt.
Dude, it's not worth it.
Yeah, but right now it's like,
I'm ready to take off.
yeah, gonna have to wait for another day.
Alright, we're back from Whole Foods now, cooking up some dinner. This is kind of odd because we normally do our whole workout for the day and then come back home, take a shower, cook dinner, and relax for the night. But since we want to film in Powerhouse later, we just thought we'd be a little bit more respectful of the other people working out and wait until it's not as busy. Just figure no one really wants a camera in their face taping them while they're trying to get a workout in. So we're gonna just relax and have dinner and then go to Powerhouse in a couple hours when it's not as busy. I've got some brown rice cooking up right now, and then we're gonna make ground chicken, beans, onion, lettuce, the whole thing, basically like chicken tacos. So I'll show you the final product when it's done. Alright guys, so this is the final product for dinner. I'm gonna have two of these. This is my first half here. So I have the leftover cauliflower rice, some lettuce, ground chicken breast, onion, and salsa. So kind of plain, but it's absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna have two of these, and then we're gonna go to the gym.
Holy moly.
What?
The gym.
Oh.
I'm scared.
It's gonna be okay.
Yo, that looks delicious.
It's really good. That's one serving of brown rice.
Nice.
130 grams of Honeycrisp apple.
That's good.
You know what time it is. Time to lift. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're here at the gym. So I already did an upper body workout earlier in the week, more strength focused. So now I'm going to be going for a more hypertrophy focused workout right now. So I'm going to start off on the pec flies here. Just kind of warm up my shoulders a little bit and pre-fatigue my chest, and then we're going to get into it. So I'll probably do between like 5 and 7 sets here. On the flat bench now.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the 10 o'clock attitude.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so we are back from the gym now. First of all, shout out to Lucas for hitting an all-time lifetime PR of 315 pounds on the squat. That was like a huge improvement since his last PR, so that was cool to see. And he was super close to the 1,000-pound total that we were joking like, haha, yeah man, you're never gonna hit that. But he was like 25 pounds away, so if he actually trained for it, I think he could get it. But on the flip side, my workout was like, I don't want to say it's awful, but it definitely wasn't the best I've had. I don't know if it's just because it's late at night and I'm tired, or if it's just from being in a deficit or what. But like, long story short, about 2.5 years ago, I was a little bit leaner and like way stronger on all my lifts by like a ton of pounds, like just like way stronger, probably like 40% stronger on everything. But I've been in a master's program, physician assistant studies, so I just finished my PA program, took my certification exam, and got my certification. So now I'm just chilling at home because the licensing process takes like a couple weeks, so I can't really get a job and work anywhere until that comes through. So I thought that would be a perfect time for me to like reboot my own fitness goals and start this channel back up and everything, so that's kind of the reasoning behind that. So we'll still keep up with the 5-minute workouts and the recipes and meal stuff, but I thought it would kind of be cool to just like log my progress. Probably planning to lose about between like 7 and 10 pounds. I don't know. I'm like 133-ish right now. And I'd really like to hit 125 and just see what that looks like, just to see if I'm more comfortable and move around better and whatnot. So 5 weeks from now, our friend Greg has a bodybuilding competition, so I'm kind of using that as motivation to like cut until then. Even though I'm not competing in the show, it's still like seeing him in the gym prepare for it and how hard he's working, so it's motivating to me. So I thought I would document my progress and just tell you guys what's been working for me, what's not been working for me. So that was my basic workout today. You can check out my leg day workout also that I did with Erica. I'll throw a little card up on the screen here if you want to see that. So yeah, hoping to just drop a little bit of body fat, hopefully regain some strength. I should have pretty good muscle memory, so I'm expecting that it'll come back quickly as I'm more dedicated to my workouts. You guys saw what I ate today. Honestly, for me, like 99 out of 100 times I eat more than that. I don't know why my appetite was less today. But But yeah, that was the day. So thank you so much. I just want to say that I appreciate you if you've made it to this point in the video. That is like amazing. So thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to comment down below what you want to see next and what you like to see, what you want to see more of. Don't forget to give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.